Where do you get your protein? You only eat rabbit food, fruits and vegetables? Where's the protein? It's here at the farm. See, here in Florida, they're getting ready now to plant soon out in this field behind these papayas. And they do a lot of stuff here. They do lettuces, all kinds of herbs, kale, cabbage, you know, all kinds of things. Really good stuff. So I'm here today looking around. I'm going to get some plugs today for my garden. What do we got here? Roma tomatoes. What else do we have? This is green cabbage. Oh. So there's some cabbage. Got some kale here. So I'll get some of those. What else? Where are the lettuces? Come on, I want my green leaf, my red leaf. All right, here's some red leaf. Ah, these are the nice tender babies. Red leaf, green leaf, romaine. Nice. And these are a lot of herbs here. I see sage back there. These look like peppers. Got some parsley and maybe a cilantro over there. It's looking good. Lots more over there. Tropicana lettuce. Huh, never heard it. Collard greens, yes. Got some little baby collard greens here. Some bok choy. Got some Swiss chard here. Green Swiss chard. What else? Butternut lettuce, yes. You gotta love butternut lettuce. Leaf lettuce, yes. This is right up my alley right here. All these lettuces. This is where you get your protein in the most assimilable form for the human body. This is live food, you know, it's not some animal that's been killed and dead, and you can't assimilate the protein in animal foods like you can this. Right, Renee? Renee says yes. Yeah, they're getting the field ready. Beginning of October. That's when they start planting. And if you look down there, that guy I was talking to, there's his, where's the horse? There he is. There's his horse. And he likes to ride. Man, I can't keep this thing steady. There he is. Wow, he's a beauty. And this is an organic farm. So we picked up, and there goes a Belgian Shepherd over there. Those dogs are awesome. And we've got 22 plants in there right now. We're gonna just start off, plant these 22. We'll be back for more plugs. 75 cents a plug, so about $15 there. We get our garden started. Alrighty, it's looking good. I got most of my greens here planted, about 3/4 I'd say. But this is where you get your protein. Leafy greens. Even sweet fruit, you know, like mangoes and oranges and, you know, or grapes, they average 4 to 8% protein. Okay? Now, these leafy greens, they average 15 to 20% protein. That's way more than we need. Yeah. I mean, being a fruitarian vegan, don't worry, you're going to get plenty of protein. And, you know, most people really are getting too much protein. You know, we look at this country, you know, you've got diabetes, heart disease, cancer, kidney failure, dialysis. We are the #1 country in the world. And it's all because of the overconsumption of protein. So, you know, this is plenty. I love the analogy of a newborn baby. I've said this before, you've probably heard it. If not, newborn babies, if they live solely just on their mother's milk for the first year of their life, and they grow the most in that first year, they grow fine, no problem whatsoever. Mother's milk has 6% protein. The 6% of the calories are from protein. And a newborn baby needs way more protein than us adults. Yeah, we need some for tissue repair and muscle building, but it's minimal. People get all hung up on protein. What builds muscle? Resistance training. You got to do the work, man. You got to do the work. That's how you build muscle, not by, you know, swallowing some protein powder. So, very happy I got these things in. Let me tell you what I got here. I've got, this is Tropicana right here, Tropicana lettuce. These 3 right there. Then I've got some collard greens right there. These 2. I've got kale. This is like, I'm not sure. It's a kale, I know that. That's the curly kale right there. And this one in the back is chard. And I got a Swiss chard here that's kind of not doing that well right there. But hopefully it'll come back. I got Italian parsley, rosemary. I've got butter lettuce. This is butter lettuce here. And then I've got my red leaf and my green leaf there. And I still have room. I mean, I can put in, oh man, at least 10 to 15 more plants. So, you know, if you live in Florida for sure, October 13th, today, it's a perfect time to get these things in the ground, get them going, because the cooler weather will be kicking in. That's the only thing. In the beginning, if the sun is still hot, I cover this with an umbrella. So it's in there. This is where you get your protein, baby. And the other thing you can think about the strongest animals on the planet. Okay, elephants, bulls, all these big animals, rhinos, what else? Giraffes, horses. What do they eat? How do they build those huge, strong muscles? They're all of those animals I mentioned are plant eaters. Okay, they get their protein from grasses, leaves, herbs. So, believe me, if you're still thinking, where will I get my protein? You have not read the data. The research is out there, it's all over, and it's logical, it makes sense, and it's the way to go. Please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. Any questions or comments, post those below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All the best to your health success. Take care.